All right, here we go. We got a new sleeping pad. I'm going to show you some cool things about it. So we just pumped up a different one and the same brand since it's this one. So I'm super excited to be able to go ahead and mess around with it. This one is definitely a little bit more lightweight, a little bit on the smaller side, which I am digging. We're going to see how she pumps up and see how easy it is to use. I love when sleeping bags come with their own pads here, have integrated pieces to them, which makes it really nice. So you see this is the pillow side of things, obviously. So we can see that in, and then let's go ahead and unfold it all the way. This has got the plastic all around, no velvet, no extras to it. So that is really good. It's gonna make it super simple and easy to use. Let's go ahead and unfold it. It does have its own pump, so you don't need an actual pump to make this happen. So keep in mind, this is going to be, let's see, we got a pump on this end. Let's go ahead and pop it in. Inflation, if you have a tool, you can inflate it from this side if you want to. Let's go ahead and close that up. And then on this other end is where your actual pump is going to be. So this side itself is what you're going to be able to use to pump up the whole entire unit. That's what the directions state here, which makes it super simple, so you don't have to have any extra tools for it. So once you've closed up this end, that's what you want to make happen. You go ahead and unfold it all the way out. Go ahead and do that. And with this end right here, you're going to pop off the top cap, and then you're going to be able to pump up. Now it's going to take a minute or two to make this happen. So usually they say you can stomp on it. Depending on where I'm at, how much room, let's say I'm covered by my tent. Obviously you're going to be able to see this happen pretty easily here. And it's only going to take a minute or two to make it happen. So let me go ahead and pop it out, and you can see how I can stomp on it, which makes it super simple. Just like that, or you can do kind of the compression style of things. You can feel the chamber open up here and get it filled pretty quickly. So here in just a second, we'll have it pumped up. All right, guys, so we are almost to the end here. You can see pumps up really simply, and just like that. I do like that it's a one-way valve, so that as you're pumping on it, you're not going to let the air out, so you don't have to keep too much pressure on it. Let's go ahead and see. It is definitely not as firm. So if you're not a firm sleeper, a firm leader of sleeping, this is kind of the way to go, in my opinion. Definitely got that waterproof style material on the outside, which is nice. Let's go ahead and get a lay down on it. Let's see what it is. I am about 6 foot tall. So let's see, super comfortable. Does have a little integrated pillow section on the back. So that is comfortable as well. Get your head lifted. And plenty of little breathable pockets right here, which makes it nice. Now, a couple things I will notice on this is as I'm sitting up, I do not feel like my butt's hitting the ground, so it's definitely got a ton of bounce to it, plenty of give. It's not your standard like 1 or 2 inch mattress, sleeping pad. This is a bigger one right here. So I'm 100% digging it. Guys, you definitely got to check one of these things out if you are looking to upgrade your tent camping, your house camping like we're doing right now, because it's 50-mile-an-hour gale force winds outside, or just whatever it might be. So definitely check this bad boy out.